just made it to the top of this mountain. It's just a 200-meter drop on the other side. It's a little bit foggy at the moment, but sun is starting to show through the clouds, which is really good. At the moment, no puffins or anything have arrived, but we are still quite early. They will start coming in quite a lot later, so maybe around midnight actually might be the best time. Plus the sun will be quite nice and low and you'll get that really good light. So hopefully the sun does stay around and hopefully a lot of this mist clears up so that we can actually see everything. But yeah, I think this is going to be really cool. So we're just going to wait around here for a while, wait for things to start happening, and I'll see you guys in a little while. There are hundreds of Razorbill just flying around. They're swarming around here. It's really hard to capture them right now. They're going way too fast, so it's almost impossible to even get a photo. And it's still very foggy here, so by the time I actually see them, they're too close. So I think if the fog was less, I would definitely be able to get a shot of this, but at the moment all I can do is film it. But yeah, this is so cool. It's one of the best experiences I've had so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep waiting around. Hopefully this fog will pass. We are gonna be here for many hours, so I think things will change. So we'll just have to see how this goes, but wow, this is great. Okay, so there are puffins and these Razorbill that are starting to fly into the edges of the rocks here. So I was able to get close up to one now. A little hard to film everything. I'm still waiting for things to clear up, but it's really adding a nice atmospheric feeling to the images. But wow, this is so cool. I've actually been able to shoot some of the shots at 1/3000th of a second and f2.8. Got my ISO at 800, but as the light's gone down, I've gone down to 1,000th of a second. But still, these images are so cool. I actually have to show you guys. This is just, this animal, the puffin is such a beautiful creature. And oh gosh, yeah, this is so cool. Look at that. How cool is that? Absolutely amazing. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out a little bit more here. Well, I say a little bit more. We're gonna be here for a while. I'm just hoping for these clouds just to clear up. But wow, this is so good. So this is now actually day 2 of coming out to shoot puffins. I had to end it short because the fog that came in last night was just not going away. It got so thick we couldn't even see anything. Even on our way back to camp, we couldn't see a thing. So we basically just had to end it at that, and I'll come back out today on the next day, and there's a lot more clear sky. You can actually see the blue sky. There's still a little bit of low cloud coming in and a bit of low fog coming in, but there's some amazing light here today, so we're gonna get some really cool images. So it hasn't really started so much with the swarm yet. They're starting to begin, but eventually there's gonna be birds swarming all over the place, and we'll get some puffins and some Razorbill on the side. So we're gonna probably be here all night. So this is gonna be really interesting, and just see what kind of images we can get. So at the moment there's a lot of Razorbill and Puffins that keep landing on the edges here. With the way they're swarming around, I'm waiting for them to come a little bit higher, but every now and then you can get one of them to pass right in front of you. So what I'm trying to do is get a shot of them as they fly past, but it's really not that easy. These guys are so fast, and yeah, you need to have your shutter speed quite high to get this. So at the moment I am shooting at 1/2500th of a second. I've got it all the way open at f2.8 as well. I am shooting with just the 300mm. So yeah, it's not easy. Got my ISO at 400, which is pretty good. So the light is really nice right now. The sun is pretty low, so you get in a really nice glow as well. Oh, look up. Oh, you missed it. Trying to see if I can get a nice kind of portrait shot. As you can see, this one is letting me get really close. So I just need to be careful I don't fall off either. Seems like I have a little gathering. This is so amazing. This is so cool. Now this is what I call wildlife photography. You never really get to be this close to animals like this, especially in the wild. It's just stunning. So I think I'm gonna go for a little bit more of an artistic look, put up the aperture a bit, go a little bit darker. Gonna see if I can go in for a really tight shot. Obviously I'm too close. Okay. I do have quite a few puffins coming in for landing here, so I think it might be a good chance for me to try and get a shot of one flying in. I'd love to get a shot of one in the air. I mean, they're great just sitting there, but it's always interesting to get that action shot. So I'm just gonna stick around here for a little while. At this point the light started to get really good. There was some really nice glow and things just changed up a lot because of the way the sun goes up and down. There were so many different kinds of light, so I just made the most of getting some really interesting shots here. And yeah, I think these ones turned out to be really nice. So this has been an absolutely awesome time. What a stunning and beautiful place. These animals, the location, just everything here is just so cool. And it's just beautiful light here now. Obviously, yesterday was a little bit difficult with the fog, but even then I still got a few nice shots. This place is just so good. And I even got a few shots of eagles flying through because they're trying to eat these little guys. But yeah, no, this place is so good. So if any of you are interested in coming out to a place like this, or even this place, I suggest you contact my friend Magnus. So I'll leave a link below to his website, and you can get in contact with him if you would like to do this. This is his job, where he goes out and takes people to places, beautiful locations, and yeah, it's an absolutely great thing to do. So if you do get the chance, I suggest you definitely contact him. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up for the video if you liked it, or even leave a thumbs down if you didn't. But anyway, I'll see you all next time.